Hello guys, today I'm going to show you all the DPI settings in your Samsung Galaxy S26. Of course I'm talking about Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, don't worry. So, at first open the settings. Here, now you need to go straight to the display over here and now scroll down. Here we have font size and style. We have here bold font style, which is not actually the DPI, and here we can increase or decrease the font size. Apart from that, if we go back, we can see screen zoom. Here we can increase the screen zoom or decrease it. And not only that, if you go back, scroll all the way down to the about phone section, tap here the software information and tap build number many times to your current pattern, you'll be a developer. What to do now? Go back again, tap developer options, and now you need to scroll down to drawing, networking, and input, hardware accelerated something, media, monitoring, apps. I think I missed that. Window management, autofill, storage, location, but yes, I did. Let me go through the settings once again. Okay, I don't know where are these settings. Networking, drawing. Okay, I'm blind, pardon me, it's here, drawing. Here we do have, as I can see, window dimension scale, transition dimension scale, animation, something, and minimum width. Tap it, and here the default value is 384. Set it, for example, to 600. Not 6000, oh gosh. Now I need to somehow go back on these settings. Here, let me find it. So now you will see what you can't do, which I did, unfortunately. Here they have drawing, minimum width. Let me set this value, for example, to 200. Now as you can see, it's like this. So if you tap drawing once again, which I lost now here, we can see everything. Let me, for example, now set it to the default value, which was here, which is 384. And now it's default. Goodbye.